So welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna do a video that's kind of out of the ordinary. It's gonna be the first time I actually do something like this. So long story short, a subscriber of me contacted me on Instagram and asked if I could breed some pigeons for him to race over where he lives, which is Ireland. Some of you have probably already seen him in the comments. His name is Galvos Loft. So I said I was going to breed a pair out of our best breeder, which is him. That's the two-time Acepigeon. And with his hen, of course, which is a lambrechts hen. I believe that's her. They actually work quite good together. They always have good performing youngsters. Well, our best performing youngsters, actually. So yeah, we're gonna be pairing them up today. He's fighting at the moment. He's fighting with his father. That's actually his father, the oldest one. Yeah. But yeah, that's the one we're gonna grab. So we're probably gonna put them inside this part of the breeding loft. Still gotta take her out because she's just laid eggs. And this one as well. So yeah, I'm gonna grab him and put him in there first, and then after I'm gonna grab her. So I have him right here. He's actually 10 years old, I believe. So just get, yeah, he's from 2010, if it wants to focus. And some of you might recognize those three last numbers because those are the one on the Acepigeon trophy. So let's get her out of here. And you. So, oh yeah, we still need to grab that hen. I'm probably gonna add a clip right after this one of the trophy, so you can see it's actually a Acebird. So those are the three last numbers from his ring number. Obviously is from 2010. As D is short for Acepigeon, and of course my grandfather's name. And the one on top of him is from 2007. That's actually his uncle, but he died in 2015, unfortunately. So I grabbed the lambrechts hen just now, and we're gonna put her in here with him. So let's see what they do. Obviously she knows it's her partner because they've been paired up for 2 years now. Let me move this one back. Yeah, she's kind of afraid of me, that's why she isn't doing anything. I do have the pedigree for her, but it's at my home, so I will probably add a video of her pedigree at the end of this video, so look out for that. If you can hear, he doesn't make any sound. That's because during one of his races he hit something, and since then he can't make the cooing sound anymore. I'll probably need to put some straw in the nest because he usually builds really big nests. So yeah. That seems to be better. I'll leave them to it. I'll check on them again in about half an hour or so. So as you can see, I got some straw for them, and I opened up their original nest box and gave them a new nest bowl. Don't seem to have made too much progress, but I'm just going to throw this here, pick it apart a bit, so he can make himself a good little nest. The hen's actually not much smaller than him, but he isn't the biggest bird. As you can see, he does carry some white in his genes, in his genomes, because he has the little tears, and his children mostly have some white tipped feathers or a white head. I think it's gonna work well. So this is probably the last bit in the video that's about these birds. I will add the pedigree of her because she's a lambrechts bird, which his birds always have a full pedigree. So I will be adding that after this clip. So yeah, I'm probably gonna end it here, but don't skip the last clip because it's gonna have her pedigree. So yeah, see you guys. So like I said, I was gonna add the pedigree of the lambrechts pigeon. As you can see, well, that's the pigeon we have, and that's the father. I don't actually know half of these names. Well, I do know some, but yeah, I know most of them actually. But see, it goes all the way back to 92. Those are a bit younger. And it's all in Dutch, but it's kind of the same. See, like 3 times top 2. And this is Van Dijk Dirk, I don't know who that is. And that's his, oh, I won't show his address. So yeah,